welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, you know the drill. Thanks for stopping by as well. So today's video is actually a hair tutorial. I don't know why I keep saying actually, as if no, the name doesn't already say it. But anyways, it's a hair tutorial quite similar to what I did before, and I noticed that that video did so well. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm using a longer length and I'm doing like a full-on ponytail, bringing it a bit forward to my forehead. You know, the last one I did was center parting, and the last full one I did, I used expression attachment. So this time I'm going to be using kinky straight attachment, and the kinky straight attachment that I'll be using is this one. It's called Gold Super Bohemian, best quality. I don't trust these people, but and I got it for 1,500 naira in a cool market. So it's really long as you can see, and it's definitely what I want. I don't know if you can coil it later, but it doesn't say so I wouldn't try that, not to burn it off. But it's really nice for this length. Let me just show you a closer picture. So this is what I'll be using for my ponytail. It has just one. If you're gonna do like a full, I think this is just fine. Yeah, so first off, you know, I'm gonna have to prep my hair, and if you're interested in watching this video, then definitely keep on watching so you can see how I prep my hair and how I install that ponytail. So just before we continue, I promise it's not gonna take long. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll be doing me a huge favor. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified on every video that I have. And also give this video a thumbs up when you're done watching. Already you can just do that because I know you're going to love this video. So period. Anyways, so this is my natural hair. I did relax it yesterday, and I used I'm not sure if it's Makuri. It's definitely not Olive or Perfective because those ones don't relax my hair well, but I can definitely feel my hair really soft. This side didn't relax well because I was too lazy to part my hair into three. I just did it into two and then pressed it in. So first off, I'm going to brush my hair. I'm going to comb my hair, and I like to use this afro comb because I find that that's the only thing that combs my hair well. So I am going to go in with my Ori and just take a handful like this, rub it in, and then massage it into my scalp. So you can see that it has already melted. That was the whole goal of blow drying my hair, so that the shea butter melts into my scalp. So I got next, I'm going to go in with my gel, and I'll be using the So Fine hairstyling. It's the extra hold one and it's transparent, so hopefully it doesn't give me that white cast. So I'm just gonna pack this much and